Hi, I'm Dan Sosnoski, Editor-in-Chief of Chiropractic Economics magazine, and we're here at Parker Seminars, Las Vegas 2014. And I'm with Dr. Brent Ungar. He's a clinical advisor for Multi Radiance Medical. Hi, Dr. Ungar.
Hello, glad to be here.
Great. Do you have any new devices or any notable technologies that you'd like to tell our viewers about?
Yes, I would like to first start off with our handheld device. This is what we call the MR4 Active.
Okay.
It's very portable. It's used both in the clinical practice, and what we typically see is this being used a lot in the sports field. So physicians are taking it out in the sporting events. It has all the features that we have in our other unit, so very handheld. It works very extremely well. The unit itself will last about 11 hours, so very portable in regards to that. So
I understand up to 50 teams are using this device?
yes, we have about 50 professional teams that are using our technology right now on their field with their players.
Very impressive.
Yes, it is, very much.
Okay, what else do you have?
This is our standard, what we call unit that you will see inside an office typically, or in the training rooms that we will use within the professional association of athletes. This particular unit right here is what we call as our laser stim unit.
Okay.
It has a very unique device. This is the only one in the world FDA approved, patented. And what it does is send an impulse from this electrode to this electrode.
Okay.
And the impulse will literally start to read the impedance of a skin. So as you turn it on, it will read the normal skin. You move into the area of complaint. And when there's a drag or a draw on the impedance meter,
Yes.
it will beep. That's an indication that there's something going on underneath that area. What I like about it, it's very dynamic. It is what's happening at this particular time. So you lift the unit up and then you will start to treat. It has the ability to treat, and as it's starting to dose, eventually the body will start to repel, meaning that is normalizing. It comes back up into the collecting chamber and beep and tells us to move on. So years ago, we used to find an area, and the protocols typically was 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
Uh-huh.
But now it could be 30 seconds, it could be 90 seconds, could be a minute and a half, whatever it will take. So you're treating something exactly what the tissue is telling us at that particular time. Very unique. I like it a lot because it helps the physicians to find what may be going on at the cellular level, not just what we're finding through our orthopedic or neurological evaluation. So it gives us a little bit more insight. And what we find is it will pick up some secondary or maybe tertiary sites that we never found.
Yes.
So again, very highly effective in targeting the area that needs to be treated and to be able to treat it for the length of time that it needs to be treated.
Is this the type of laser that's called the super pulsed laser?
Yes, that's typically all our units are super pulse. What does that mean? It means it has a different form of delivering compared to like continuous wave laser.
Uh-huh.
It's very fast, and it's shooting the frequency in between 100 and 200 nanoseconds, and that allows us to get very deep penetration without having a lot of thermal effect. Our laser is one of the safest out on the market today. There's classifications 1 through 4. The higher the classification, the quicker there's a potential to burn the individual.
Right.
So in my practice, I really like to make sure that if I'm using it or my staff is using it, that we see that safety is paramount. So we use this typically in the office. So it's a 1M, and with the Super Pulse, we can get up to approximately between 4 and 5 centimeters in penetration, depending on the tissue itself.
Very impressive. So this would speed up treatment times and do so safely.
Very much speed up the treatment time. Power isn't the essence. Again, most of our units, we have 3 different wavelengths, 660, 875, and 905 wavelength. And what the research shows is that we need all those wavelengths to heal a tissue, because an injury isn't horizontal, it's vertical, so multiple layers. So you treat the upper levels of tissue that was damaged down to the deepest levels.
Understood. Well, it's very impressive, and we look forward to learning more about Multi Radiance this year.
It was great to have us here, and we enjoy it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.